Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm at swimming hole number 2 along the Fort Elmo wall here. And this one is called Boom Defense, not Kaboom, Boom Defense. You got to figure that Eric's got to butcher it somehow. But again, this is a nice little spot here, and I'll video it and you can see what it's like. You can see the kids over there. There was, probably 15 kids here earlier, but I'll show you this spot too, and you can take a look. Bye everybody. Okay, so the kids are leaving. They were swimming here earlier, and this is called Boom Defense, and it's a winch house, and I think people live here, and I don't know if I can cover up the wind from this, and you can see people over there swimming. But I figure if it has stairs into the water, you're pretty safe. So this has got stairs down to the water, and so and there are stairs on this side too, I think. Yeah, there's a stair rail right there, and then you can walk out right here. And you can see the swimming handle right over there as well. So this one's called Boom Defense. And it's really, if you're just looking for secluded, I mean, there's nobody here. You've got a nice little spot to hang out at with trash and the whole 9 yards. And you got Boom Defense. And you can see the little sailboats going by. And the water's clear. You see the rocks down there? And I bet it's pretty deep, so sorry about the wind. Now I'm all wind sensitive. Anyway, this is Boom Defense, and I think, I'm just trying to figure out how I guess you walk down this way and then go in that way and lay up here. So anyway, it's pretty spectacular. Boom Defense. Bye everybody. You see all the fish right there? Come in to eat off the rocks, and then they rush out when the tide goes out. I don't know if you can see it. I got a glare on my screen, but it's God, there's just thousands of them. There's tons of them. Pretty amazing. And there's another rail there. So anyway, again everybody, I just thought I'd check out the side. And the rail is right there, so you can get right into the water that way and then just walk on down. So anyway, this is Boom Defense. Or in Eric's terms, kaboom. Bye everybody.